For most people, their home is their largest investment, so it's important to keep everything in good working order, and that's especially true when it comes to your home comfort system. But what can a homeowner do themselves, and when do they turn to a professional? For all service and maintenance issues relating to your home comfort system, they should always be handled by a licensed and trained dealer. But don't wait until there's a problem. I always like to tell people, have your cooling system inspected in the spring and your heating system inspected in the fall, long before the weather turns too hot or too cold, and then suddenly you're faced with this emergency situation. But there are a couple things that you can do as a homeowner. First of all, always change your air filter regularly. That means once every 30 to 60 days. It really depends on the type of filter you use. You see, a clogged air filter can reduce a system's efficiency as well as its overall lifespan. Secondly, pick up a phone today. Call your dealer and arrange for an annual service agreement. That way you'll never fall behind on any maintenance. This tip is brought to you by Lennox. Innovation never felt so good.